Hola amigo, bienvenido. Bienvenido means welcome. Bienvenido. B N Van E Do. Bienvenido. Bienvenido a mi canal Aprende con Kashish. Bienvenido a mi canal Learn with Kashish. Learn with Kashish. Whenever you say to somebody welcome, then you can use this word bienvenido. So let's start. Today my topic is letter and sounds. In letter and sound, this is a part of series of alphabets. So we have covered the letter, special letter G. Now today we will cover the special letter C. C like como है, का, también tiene dos sonidos. Now we will speak more in Spanish so that you may be able to understand, and you try to understand what I am saying. I am saying como है, का, también tiene dos sonidos. Like G, C also también tiene have two sounds. You have gone through my numbers lesson, so dos is two. Sonidos are sound. So we will study about C today. So if we check C, C is having two sound. One is S, another is K. S and K. S and K. S as cerro, cerro. Zero, zero is called cerro. Then cielo. Okay, C A lo. This is how we pronounce this. This is sky. This is one sound of C I am telling you, which is S. With S, when it comes with E and I, it will be S. So let's study rule first, then I will give you the example how we pronounce C. Like we study about G, it changed the sound with vowels, different vowels. For example, vowels are A, E, O, U. So when C comes with A, when this C comes with A, it will become K. When C comes with A, it will become S. When C comes with E, which is I in English, it becomes S. You have to pronounce it S. Like I told you, cielo. It is not cielo, it is not cielo, it is cielo. Okay. Then cerro. When it is coming with E, it is cerro. E, cerrar. Okay, cerrar. Okay, like dinner, cena. Wherever it is coming with E and I, it will be S. Cebolla. Okay, cebolla. Cebolla is onion. Okay, we will say cebolla. Cebolla. Cebolla is onion. We will not say cebola. It is cebolla. This, you know, llamar. This is ya. Double LAS pronounced as ya. Okay. So if C comes with E, we will pronounce it as a se. And when C comes with O, it will be ka. When C comes with U, it will be K. Now, example, if we are going with A, example is Casa. This is not Sasa. This is Casa because it is coming with A. House. Casa. Then, if I am giving example of O, Corbata. Tie. Tie. Okay. Co, R, Ba, Ta. Corbata. This is how we pronounce it. Corbata. And if with A, camiseta. Camiseta. Ka, mi, se, ta. It is not samiseta, it is camiseta. It is not camiseta also because A is A in Spanish. So, camiseta. Camiseta. And if see, if it is caliente, hot, ka. Caliente, caliente, caliente. So, whenever it will come with C will come with A, O and U, you will pronounce it as a K, and when it is coming with E and I, pronounces as a S. Okay. So, we will read some example. Okay, I have written here some example. Cerro, C-E-R-O, cerro. Cielo, cielo. Cerrar, cerrar. Cebolla, cebolla. B. There will be a lesson for B, B and V. They are pronounced similar, almost similar, but there is a difference where to put stress and all. So, cebolla, cena, cenar, dinner, cena. Then if I am giving example of K, then casa, house, cosa, cosa, things, cuerpo, body, cuerpo, cuerpo, body, camiseta, shirt, comida, food, carne, carne, see, CA is there, then carne, meat, caliente, caliente, caliente is hot, corazon, 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 corazon. This is corazon, John, J-O-N, John, corazon you can say. This is heart. So, remember this rule, and whenever you will find anything with C and the vowel together, it will be sound like that. That's all for C, and you can read many paragraphs, sentences and find out where we are pronouncing it how. We are going to cover other letter also like ba and ve. So, thanks all for watching my video. If you like and it helps you to learn the Spanish, please share and subscribe my channel. I will be coming up with all the tricky things which I felt that to make Spanish easy. I will make separate videos for them, and it will be very much helpful for you guys. Thank you so much.